This week we'll be making an origami pick. For this one we're going to start with our paper colored side down. And we're going to go do 2 taco folds on either side to create a cross in the middle of our paper. We're now going to bring either side in so that it touches the center that we just created. We're also going to bring this top part into the center as well. Now flip your entire paper over. Bring this bottom corner up, again into the center. And then fold it down just a bit. Bring your top corners down. These are going to create our ears. Now I'm going to grab a marker for some finishing touches. Eyes. And the snout of our pick.